Hi, traders. Hugh Grossman here. I'm the founder and head trading mentor at the Day Trade Spy Trading Academy. Let's get one thing clear right off the bat. You're probably not going to log into your trading account for the first time and instantly become a successful trader. Just not going to happen. No, we are not born with natural trading abilities. Those are all learned skills. Now, when you first start trading, it's very exciting, and you're going to feel that greed kick in, the fear, the FOMO. Those are all new emotions that traders feel, especially when they luck out on those first successful trades. But the reality is that without learned skills, you're going to crash and burn, blow up your account. It's inevitable. We all do it. I've done it many times. But at what extent are you willing to crash and burn? This is why we talk about managing your risk tolerance. Learn from my mistakes before making your own. Frankly, you're not going to live long enough to make them all yourself. Look, we have a very special event coming up, and I want you to be on that. I want you to register at the link below. All right, don't miss this. Very important. I look forward to seeing you on.